Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete all junk files in one click for Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. I have given this code in my video description, so just copy this code from there. Open a text editor like Notepad and paste the copied code into the text editor and save this file as Save As. And you can name it like Delete Files or anything you like after that. You have to give the extension at the end of the file name. So put .bat after you name the file. And choose the file type as all files, then save it. Okay, so here you can see the file is saved on the desktop. Now let's see how it works. First, I'm going to open my temporary files. So now I have opened all my temporary files. Now just double click on the file which we have created and it will delete all these unwanted files in just one click. As you can see, all files are deleted. However, this file is not deleted due to some background running app. So just skip this if it's not deleted. The rest of all files are deleted from all folders. Yeah, it's the quickest and easiest way to delete all your temporary files. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.